Hello friends, I am Professor Sundar Shirsat. You are most welcome in my channel once again. If you like my video, please share it with your friends, and if you like my channel, please subscribe it. Okay? Today we have new poet Namdev Sar and his poetry, that means a collection of poetry notebook. Namdev Dasar is one of the Maharashtrian poet, and also he is a Dalit poet. He was born in 1949. He is Maharashtra's leading Dalit poet and the only Indian poet to have received a Lifetime Achievement Award from country's apex literary institution, the Sahitya Academy. He is the author of 9 books of poetry. Nasal is quintessentially, quintessentially Mumbai poet, raw, reggae, associative, almost carnal in its tactility. His poetry emerges from underbelly of the city, its menacing, unplumbed netherworld. This is the world of pimps and smugglers, of crooks and petty politicians, of opinion dense, breathless, and beleaguered urban remains. In a recent article on the Sun, we can have one of the statement: Mumbai without her backup, her Botox, her power yoga, the Mumbai that sees unruly, menacing, it vitally alive beneath the glitzy mall and multiplex, the high rise and the flyover, the Mumbai of the non-gentrifiable, the untamable, the unrecycled. A recent book entitled Namdev Dasar, Poet of the Underworld, features English translations by poet Dilip Chitre from across Dasal's voluminous corpus. The book also offers a trajectory of Dasal's colorfully life from his beginning in the humble hamlet of Kanensa in the state of Maharashtra to his growing years in Dhor Chawal on the fringe of Mumbai's red light district from vigilant organization Dalit Panther he found in 1972 to his long-standing struggle with Macedonia gravis from his various personal and political challenges to his growth as a poet who fashioned his aware from ascetic forms, traditional Marathi literary resources such as Ovi, Bhajan, Kirtan, Warkari music, Tamasha, as well as modern European. The 2 poems selected for his edition reveal some of the characteristics of his poetry. What is perhaps not so easily discernible are the complex negotiation that Dasar makes with language. In his introduction to the book, Chitra explores the fascinating archaeology of Dasal's idiom, its many turns and registers, and its polyglottal fusion of Bombaya, that means Mumbai's Velpuri demotic, with the Mahar dialect that in its family inheritance. Actually, Dalit literature essentially deals with marginalized groups who are fundamentally devoid of their voice within the Indian society. It is also necessary to understand that the maintains a literature which cares to a sophisticated set of readers or perception has repeatedly shows as reluctance to publish the pain and the anguish of the literature. Hence, every Dalit writer aims to carve a space or voice for himself or herself out of the mainstream literature in order to bring to light the injustice made on his community. This inevitability creates a subculture within the mainstream literature, a kind of an aperture for all the respected, repressed Dalit sentiments which were struggled up by the insensitive society. But the power of literature is immense as it allows the existence and proliferation of dissenting voices to construct a parallel world for self-realization and problematization to the dominant world view. Poets have constantly tried to publish their voices through literature, and Namdev Dasar does it by impressively expressing himself as a unique way. Namdev Rasa, through his poetry, projects the kind of complexity, acquiescence, and indifference shown by various quarters of society against the marginalized. His poetic collection, Poets of the Underworld, consists of poems like Golpitha, then Murkha Mahar Yatra, Year Grade, okay, Khel, then Gandu Bagicha, okay, then also Soul Dome doesn't find peace in the resin. That means many of his poetry are about Dalit's condition. That means in his his book Poetry Notebook. Notebook is nothing but collection of many poems which is written to disclose agonies, pains of Dalit community, and in that he has written poems to describe sorrows of the Dalits. They were deprived, they were injustice by the society, that means Orthodox society, and how they are treated by this Orthodox society. All is described in this poem, in these poems, which are the poems of collected in Poetry Notebook. Actually, Namdev Rasal's poets rightly given him the title Poet of the Underworld. Here, the word underworld suggests that suppressed one, because the voice of Dalit was suppressed one. No one had dared to oppose the orthodox system, but only Namdev Rasa was there. He dared to oppose to that orthodox system and also raise his voice through his poetry and also disclose all the sorrows and pains of the Dalits from his poetry. Hence, he is rightly called as poet of the underworld.